Alright, it's Bri again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I created this beautiful makeup look for you guys. I call it the Purple Rain. So make sure you keep on watching, like, comment, and smash that subscribe button.
Walk in with a whole thing on me. He's a whole lot of chain, you can swing on it. If she fuck with the gang, we can bang on it. Then you might too cut, you can't motherfucker drink on it.
First I'm going to take my Aphrodite palette. Then I'm going to take the color Admire and take my dirty blending brush. It's okay. Everybody has those struggles. Tap off the excess. And I'm going to put this in my crease. I'm going to use this as my transition shade. I love a warm crease. You're going to go in circular motions to get that right in the crease. Then I'm going to take my Athena palette and I'm going to take this color Epic right here. It's a purplish, pinkish color. And I'm going to take a flat brush, a flat synthetic brush, pack that color on there, and carve out my eyelid. It's not cut crease, but still carving it out. And I'm just gonna put that on there. Once I carve out my eyelid, just gonna pack it out on the lid. There's no shimmery shimmery eyeshadows are very hard to get to show up. And I didn't mention, I already did my brows off camera. I forgot to say that in the beginning. But yeah, you got the memo. Then I'm going to take this color Justice. It's a matte purple. It's really pretty. I really love it. It's a really pretty purple. It's like a tapered blending brush, I guess. Got this brush off of AliExpress. I forgot how much it was. I had it for so long. And I'm just gonna pop that like in my outer V, kind of going towards my lid, in the middle of my lid, but not really. I just want this color to be faded onto my lid, like to blend it all together. You'll see in the end. Then I'm going to take another blending brush. My brushes don't have no name to them no more because they're so old. It's okay. We all come up anywhere. I come up and can't yet, but it's okay. I'm going back into Epic. Just kind of make it a little bit more shimmery. Kind of went a little too far with that purple. Then I'm gonna go back into my Aphrodite palette and take, no, I'm not. I'm going in my Royals palette. And I'm going to take, what does it say? It's so dirty. Majestic, which is this purple. And I'm going to put that also where I just put the other purple. To kind of make it blend. Blend, blend, blend. Blind is your friend. Blending brush. Blend, blend, blend. Flat brush. I don't have any product on this brush. Not yet, anyway. Then I'm gonna go back into my Aphrodite palette. I'm gonna take Jealous and Seduction. I'm gonna mix those two and put them in my outer V for a smoky look. Justice is like a reddish undertone. Justice, Lord, Jealousy is a reddish undertone. Seduction is a dark brown. That's gonna give it a real smoky. Smoky, smoky. Smoky, 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 smoky. Oh my god. Bet y'all don't know where I get that from. Jacket, 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 jacket. You're crazy. I'm gonna go into my LORAC palette. I'm just gonna use this black in here. This is the blackest black I've ever used in my entire life. I'm gonna take that black onto this blending brush. Just a little bit, because as I stated before, black is very hard to blend out. I'm just gonna dot it on there because I don't want to get too much. Dot, 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 dot. Dot, 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 dot. If you hear heavy breathing, that's just my obnoxious daughter who refuses to listen.
Hey, why you have pony on your phone? Did I give it to you?
I'm trying to make a video here.
Let's go to the
Jesus Christ. Blending brush. And we're gonna get that side eye. That mean side eye. That bitch one. And then, because I want that shimmery color to pop a little bit, I'm gonna go back into this palette. Go back into Epic, which is our shimmery lid color. And just spray it on there. Then I'm gonna take my liquid liner from LA Color. Got from the dollar store for $1. And we gonna wing this thing out. We're trying to fly away. Remember, hold your mouth open. That's the only way you get a good wing. Then I'm gonna take my lash. This is a lashes from COLORMATE. You can get these at any Dollar Tree or Dollar General for $1. I normally get all of them, so if you're near me in the Atlanta area, you ain't gonna be able to get them because I always get them. All of them. They're very sturdy and thick to be $1. You're gonna take any black eyeliner that you prefer or you like. Me personally, I like the Urban Decay Glide On. It's really smooth, but I can't find mine. So I'm just gonna use this dollar store one. Beauty on Budget. And that completes my look.